What's up, guys? All right, so we're gonna go through a very important shot. This is what we call the scan. And this is something that you're gonna focus on in details. Now, directly behind me, let's go ahead and turn this into a bar. Now I see that there's a bar behind me, and I'm gonna use this as an example and show you how you scan stuff. So one of the coolest videos that you can take is when you take very close moving shots. In this case, I'm doing it with my face. Now I want you to see the length, how much space is here. It's only a couple inches, and that's okay, because that's exactly what I want you guys to do, but I want you to scan cool shit. So here's what I mean by that. Now, as you can see, I'm at a bar right now, and there's different rows of alcohol here, there, and there, and then there's a different tap right here. And if I wanted to take a really cool shot, what I would do is I'd come up here, come close to the bar. I'm just gonna scan it like this. And I'm shaking even, but I'm telling you, it doesn't matter so much, because I'm just gonna go like this. That's a scan left and right. Now, if I wanted to scan up or down, I would just go like this. And look at the shot we're gonna get on the split screen right here. You're gonna see very close details, right? So let's do an up and down scan. All I'm doing is squatting straight. Squat up, squat down, squat up, squat down. Now, the types of things you wanna scan are gonna be signs. You're gonna wanna scan tables, food, menus, anything with extreme details that you really want to showcase it. Bookshelves are cool, awards, designations, wall of fames. It doesn't matter, but what does matter is that you're taking very close-up shots of stuff that is really cool, and all we want to do is sort of glide over it. Remember what I said at the beginning of this video, you have to pretend you're a drone. So as long as you know how to make these linear, slow movements in all different ways, your B-roll is going to look amazing. And that's the key to shooting good B-roll with just a cell phone and a tripod.